Welcome to Cell City! I'm Mayor Nooks, your tour guide. Cells are the smallest functional units in the human body. So small you need a microscope to see them. Cells provide structure, take in nutrients from food, and convert nutrients into energy to power the body. Cells also store hereditary material, or DNA. With this information, cells can multiply into the trillions. Right now, let's focus on just one cell and take a look inside. Cells are made up of organelles, which are cellular structures of many different shapes that serve a specific purpose. Think of them as pieces of a city. Organelles keep the city running smoothly. This is me, the nucleus, otherwise known as the mayor of the cell. I store cell DNA, direct other organelles, and contain the information the cell needs to do its job. Here's City Hall, where I work. As the mayor, I spend my days inside making laws and telling the other organelles what to do. Next to the nucleus is the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, also known as the highway system of the cell. There is a rough ER, which has ribosomes attached, and a smooth ER, which does not. The rough ER produces proteins. These proteins are transported to the Golgi Apparatus with vesicles, or a small sac. The smooth ER produces lipids that are used to build cell membranes. As our vast highway system, the ER manufactures proteins that are transported by the vesicle delivery trucks. The proteins produced by the ER are delivered here to the Golgi Apparatus, or the post office of the cell. The Golgi Apparatus receives protein transports from the ER, modifies the received material with enzymes, then sorts and sends out material where it is needed throughout the cell. Like your local post office, deliveries are received, processed, and mailed out to other parts of the cell wherever they are needed. Moving on, we have the ribosomes, or the construction workers of the cell. Ribosomes are located on the rough ER, but are also found freely throughout the cell. They produce proteins. Proteins are needed for cell functions like repairing damage. As the construction workers of the cell, ribosomes are found all over, producing proteins that fix and keep the other organelles working. Here's our beautiful landscape, the cytoplasm! The cytoplasm is made up of water and nutrient solution that fills the cell. It allows for movement through the cell and provides the environment organelles need to complete their jobs. The cytoplasm surrounds the organelles in a type of swampland, making travel around the city easy. Traveling through the cytoplasm, we come across the lysosomes. These recycle centers of the cell aid in cell digestion, break down waste, and create new building materials. As recycling centers, it's the lysosomes' job to recycle waste and to make new materials out of it. Powering each organelle is the mitochondria, or powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria uses cellular respiration to break down nutrients. It creates energy and powers the other organelles' functions. The powerhouse supplies the organelles with energy, like electricity, to keep the organelles working. This is the cell membrane, or city limits, and it is what holds everything together. It monitors molecules that enter and leave the cell, and is made up of a thick, flexible layer that surrounds and protects the inside of the cell. These are our city limits, whose grand gate protects our city from virus invaders. And that is Cell City. Each piece you see here keeps it running smoothly. Now, let's take a look back at how the organelles really appear. This completes the tour today. Have a great day.